Samsung phones could show the date right on the status bar next to the time. Here's how to set. First, open the Galaxy Store on your Samsung device. At the top right corner, tap on the search icon. Now type Good Lock and install the app. If you already have it installed, simply open it. Inside Good Lock, look at the bottom bar and tap on Plugins. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you'll find a module called QuickStar. Tap on it and download it. Once the installation is done, open QuickStar. Now toggle QuickStar on. You'll see a few customization options on the screen. Tap on Clock Settings. Inside this menu, just toggle on Show Date. You can also keep it on the left or in the right also. Here I'm going with the left. That's it. Now you'll see the date right on your Samsung status bar. Subscribe for more quick tech tips.